people. Hello there, people. Guess what? It's another day. And I hear that Maxine Waters don't like the idea of Trump wanting her to have her IQ checked. I guess she might be one of the only few in Congress that don't have a smartphone because it has a higher IQ than hers. How do you like that? Hey, Kathy Griffin. You should do a video shoot like they did in the movie Tootsie. You know, where they showed Dustin Hoffman and they said, if you put the camera back far away, you look better? Well, maybe they should do that to you. I mean, you're already halfway around the world in Australia, and it hasn't helped you over there, so it probably won't help you over here when you come back to start your career again. But have a good laugh on us. Remember, Republicans rule. You drew. You know, growing up as a kid, always wondered about having some of the neat stuff like everybody else does, but not having everything or some of the things like the other kids did. I felt kind of left out. Now that I'm older and retired, I have a smartphone and a few other things, and I still feel left out. One day I was at a restaurant with a bunch of friends, and they pull out their phones and make a comparison. Not one of them had a smartphone. They had a flip touchpad phone to make their calls on. I was feeling so out of place I didn't know what to do. Almost was ready to rush out and take my phone back and get an old style flip phone. What a way to go. Hey, how about we have a Nancy Pelosi day, where we hear so much babble from her that we can get the day off of work. Just like a snow day. We get so much snow, we get the day off of school. Well, let's get a day off of work from Nancy Pelosi Day. You know, a lot of people want Donald Trump to go to hell. Well, I know hell needs someone to clean up, and the job would be a lot easier than trying to clean up the Congress, Senate, the DOJ, and the FBI. So to punish Donald Trump, I vote we keep him here in the United States and to clean it up. Thank you very much.